New this afternoon, the father of an accused Apalachee High School shooter will go to trial, but with jurors from outside of Barrow County.
That's right. Both the defense and prosecution agreed they could not have a fair and impartial trial for Colin Gray with Barrow County jurors because they're too close, they say, to the tragedy. 11 Alive's Grace King is joining us live tonight in Winder. And Grace, we know you were in the courtroom today. So what options are now on the table for this trial?
Well, they could hold the trial here in Barrow County with jurors from someplace else, or they could move the entire trial to wherever those jurors might be. But both options can get pretty complicated. That's why Judge Nicholas Prim wants to take this under consideration.
There are 1,000 things that could go wrong that derail us from having what I'll call a clean trial. And there are 1,000 factors to consider.
Superior Court Judge Nicholas Prim walking through the options that could ensure Colin Gray gets a fair and impartial trial.
The closer we are to that epicenter, the more likely we are to have jurors who have been affected.
Gray faces 29 charges, including murder and cruelty to children, for the shooting at Apalachee High School, where authorities say his son, Colt Gray, killed 4 and wounded 9. It devastated Barrow County and much of the surrounding area.
You got to get far enough away from that bomb that you're not going to get hurt.
Gray's attorneys argued the only fair option is a trial nowhere near Barrow County. They suggested places near Valdosta and Savannah.
What we need to do is to find a place where we can get an impartial and fair jury. I don't think anywhere in this epicenter are we going to be able to find that.
But state prosecutors worry moving the full trial elsewhere would place an unreasonable burden on the victims, witnesses, and surrounding community.
What kind of impact would that have on the services that you provide to Barrow County?
It's an impact that I couldn't even fathom in my mind, really, because it would leave the citizens, in my opinion, in Barrow County in a not so safe manner.
They want the trial here in Barrow County with jurors brought in.
The way we can make this as more like a normal trial as possible, the best chance we have of doing this once.
Now, Judge Prim is going to reach out to other courthouses to see what options are available before making that decision. He hopes that they will go to trial for Colin Gray in September. Live in Barrow County, Grace King, 11 Alive News.